Today, we're looking at this sweet door sensor. It's by Aqara, and the battery seems to last forever, basically. So you can use it for doors or windows, and some people even put it on their refrigerator to remind them that the door has been open for way too long. We're actually in the bathroom right now. Due to my crazy schedule, sometimes I can't brush my teeth on time. Sometimes I work through the hours and forgot to brush at all. This is terrible for my hygiene, as you can imagine. So this is why I put the door sensor right here next to my Sonicare toothbrush. So as soon as I put it on there, it's going to alert me that the contact has been closed or open. In the automation, I'm going to set up as that if for whatever reason it has not changed state for too long, past 9 p.m., then it's time to send me a notification for me to go brush my teeth. Yeah, I know it's kind of silly, but it works, and it works great. Behind the toothbrush, there's a motor. So with a motor, there's a magnet, and with the magnet, it triggers this door sensor right here with a read sensor. So that's basically it. Every time you put it on, it closes the contact. Every time you take it off, it's open. So based on that open or closed states, I use that for my automation to let me know if I've touched my toothbrush or not. Alright, hopefully this crazy idea helps you with some even crazier ideas for home automation. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, and thanks for watching.